the shoreline. Another day, another uphill climb. Everybody talking about the fast lanes. Everybody chasing after big fame. I'ma see the beauty in the simple things. Children laughing while the old man sings. Soft breeze blowing through the coconut trees. Lord, this island got a hold on me. Nightfall coming and the sky turn gold. Stories of the future still untold. Maybe we don't have everything we need, but we got enough to plant the seeds. Hold on.
Listen to the ocean call your name. Slow down, nothing ever stays the same.
Hold on, before you let the moment disappear. Hold on, love is already here. One more sunset, one more fire in the sky. One more memory before the daylight says goodbye. Hold me closer, let the whole world fade away. One more sunset, and I know we're gonna be okay. One more sunset, one more chance to feel alive. One more heartbeat, keeping all our dreams alive. Wheel up, turn it louder now. From the islands to the city lights, everybody dancing through the night. Hands up high when the rhythm drop. Nobody moving when the music stop. Wine to the left, wine to the right. Everybody feeling irate tonight. Bassline heavy, drums them tight. Sunblaze bringing pure delight.
I remember when the power gone. Still we sing until the early dawn. No designer clothes, no fancy rides. Still we carried all our joy inside. Now we're running just to make a way, forgetting how to live each day. Maybe all we need is what we found. Love and laughter all around.
Slow down, hear the waves upon the sand. Slow down, take a moment, take my hand. No rush, no pressure from nobody else. Tonight, we finally be ourselves. One more sunset, one more fire in the sky. One more memory before the daylight says goodbye. Hold me closer, let the whole world fade away. One more sunset, and I know we're gonna be okay.
If tomorrow never came,
Would you still remember me?
would you stay beside the sea?
Where we always dreamed we'd be.
Every wave that meets the shore.
Brings me back to you once more.
We don't need much more than this.